Hello y'all. Welcome to Keystone Bully Farm 609. Coming to show you dogs. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video of these monsters. But here go King. King is now 2, a little bit over 2. As y'all can see, he's turning out pretty decent. Right, big boy? King is off of Maui, who I'm gonna show in a little bit, who is his mom, and his dad name is King. So he's King too. He's a junior. But what y'all think? He's dirty right now. I'm sorry, y'all. I was cleaning the backyard, and I just let me show the dogs for a little bit. But these the XLs. They still looking good. Right? Say I'm still looking good, King. Tell me we still looking good. Big head, nice body, beautiful dog. I might be meeting him with Fiji. Who is his love bug? Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all Fiji. He wanna play with the stick. See how when he wanna play. Come here. Let me see it. No, yup. No, You better move. Back. Go. Back up. Back up, naman. Back up, naman. Huh? Wait. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy. Yes, sir. Boy. Yes, sir. Good boy. That's my fat man. That's fat man. That's fat man. Take it down. Take it down. Stop. Yeah. Yep. Big boy. This is what he loves to do. Oh, he broke it. He broke it. He dancing. He's dancing. That's King. Let me show you his girlfriend. Now this is Fiji, y'all. He's coming in here. So Barry King, he can't help himself. Yo! Get down. Yo! This is my girlfriend right now. Come here. Yo, move. Get out of here. This is Fiji. She just turned 2. She is like 2 months older than King. Yo! Get out of here. You better stop humping behind me, boy. No homo. I ain't gonna say no Diddy. Yup. Get out of here. Go home. Go home. Go home. Go. In the cage. Go. In the cage. Go ahead. You better not. Yup. Go home. You better stay in there. It's Fiji, y'all. Y'all don't see he's still in there. Get back. Back up. Get. Yup. What I say? Stay. See, back in that cage. Nobody playing with him. But this Fiji water is my baby. She coming in heat. King might get a little bit of this, right? What you think? What you think? That's a yes? Okay. But this is Fiji. She is off of Calabasas, aka Cali, and X, who's from NYC Kennels. So check him out. He's a beast. Oh my goodness, he's a monster. But check out this beauty. Let me see if King start hating on me. I knew he was gonna hate. I knew. Go home. Yo, in the cage. Go. Get your butt in there. Go. What's wrong with him? Get your butt in there. Stay. It's Fiji. Right. Here's my Fiji. Right. Oh, my baby. It's Fiji water. She's like my shortest dog, but she's a beaut. Look at that. Look at the mama. Look at them pretty eyes. Show your eyes. You say hi. That's her eyes. It's a good dog. She's my most common, well, the most tame and mellow dog I have back here, but she has drive for prey. Right? So you got drive for prey. She like rubs. She like rub downs, right? See, I love my rub downs. Gotta rub your dogs down, man. Show them you love them. Y'all like massages, right? I don't think dog like a massage. See, I got a rough life too. It ain't as rough as ours, but my dogs, they protect the house, so this is my appreciation. Good food, rub downs, nice walks, little workout. Look at that, solid too. All these dogs solid. Yep. I didn't even hear him come up. Look at him. Get out of there. You got water in your house. Go home. Go. Look what he did. What you doing out here? Huh? In the cage. Go ahead. Go. Oh, you don't... I see what I go through. I see what I go through. This dog does not want to listen to me. Because he got his girlfriend. No, I'm trying to be sweet to me. I'm trying to be sweet to me. Come on. These are my two. God. She's coming in here. He can't help himself. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Yeah. No. 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 I'm so sorry. But she's coming to heat, so if everything work out good, I have some puppies. Perfect. Alright, come on, let me show mom. Let me show your mom. Peace, come on. Peace. Peace. Excuse the backyard. Get out. Excuse the backyard. Still cleaning. Well, I want to show you the dogs. It's been a while. Right, Maui? This Maui. She's off of Calabasas also. And she's off of Two Stroke from NYC Kennels. He know not to try her, to jump on her. There's his mammy. This is mama. Listen, these dogs love me too much. I ain't gonna say that. These dogs love me a lot. But this is mammy. This is mammy. And this is son. Let's see if I can get them next to each other. Come here. Come here. Sit. Come here. Sit. Mama and son, both wild ones. Oh my God. And she older than him. And look how much, oh, she hit me in the wrong spot. Oh my goodness. Man down. I'm okay. No, you got me good, girl. You got me good. You gotta chill out. I got sweatpants on. Yo, get out of there. You want water, go home. Get down. Thank you, sir. All them thick. Come here. All them got nice chests. Nice chest. This name stacked up. This her baby. This big Maui. The camera a little bit. This big Maui right here. My beautiful baby. Nice blue tri. Right. Yep. King is a hater. He is a hater. But this the babies right here. They're all dirty. I'm sorry, y'all. It's winter time. Oh, catch colds. Ooh. So she always does. She love me. I don't even get mad at her. I just wipe my face off. I try to avoid it. I have dip game. Right. I really like her rubs. Massage the muscles. Inside the muscles. Make sure everything's still good. Make sure all the lamb's good. Make sure all the lamb's good. Check these ears out. A little dirty. A little dirty. I'm cleaning. Gotta wash them. Gotta wash them. We gotta go in the house and get a bath. Gotta stay in for a little bit. Yeah, you too. You want water? Go home. Everybody try to show you how the glitz and glamour of dog breeding, right? They're gonna show you how you gotta clean up a whole bunch of dog dookie, deal with puppies dying, make sure you take care of them health-wise. If you don't know about dogs too much, you go into the vet and you spend a lot of money. Spending time with them, showing them love. They're just like kids. What do I say? Dog food, cleaning supply. You gotta make sure you have cleaning supply. Things to deal with the smell, especially if you breed dogs, because you got a few dogs. So it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, but I love it. I love dogs. I love making creations. I got a couple dogs that's out there that I'm very, very proud of. And they're doing their thing. But there's a little update on the dogs. I need to finish cleaning because it's looking a little bit of a mess. And just stay tuned. King, aka Teezy, aka King 2. Maui Wowie, she's gonna poop Aurelia again. And we're gonna show the last one, Fiji water. Fiji water. Down, down, down. That's a nice dog. Y'all can't tell me I ain't breathing. Down. Good girl. Not just because it said good girl. That's a beautiful dog too. So imagine her, this beautiful specimen. See the muscles and everything. That's her standing natural. Woo. The structure is a mother. Down. And it's the baby pappy. It might be, maybe. King 2. What y'all think? That's two nice structures. Big chest, nice heads, two different rays. Come here. Maui. Maui. Say hi. Sit. Alright, she ain't sit. That's the dogs. Everybody make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I have more dog content. I'm gonna show the Frenchies. I know it's finished cleaning. I got these grades coming in. I might look young, but I ain't that young. I ain't that young no more. Let me do finish a little cleaning up. Let me shower. I got stuff to do today. Sorry, y'all. This the boring part of dog breeding. Now, people, I need y'all to comment in the comment section. What should I do with the backyard? Because it's number dirt back here. Should I put down rocks, fake grass, real grass, or some sand? Or give me an idea what I can put down that's good for the dogs, easy to clean. Put it in the comment section, please let me know. I like to know y'all input, because I need help. You can never be too old. I think you too good in this dog game to take advice. Whole bottle of peroxide. Anybody breed dogs or had dogs? It's dirty right now, but so always keep some of this. Always good for cleaning your dog, certain things like the ears and all that, and cuts. Stuff happens. Some dogs they're not feeling that day. Sometimes a fight might break out. Just you gotta be on point and gotta kind of know what you're doing to disperse the fight real quick. Sorry for the stutter. A little thirsty and working, but peroxide is always good for the dogs. For fleas and ticks and hot spots, y'all got dogs, cats, best thing to use. Summertime, hot spots, fleas, ticks, use this. If it get a little bit too rough, that's something else. Take your dogs out their area, give them a spray. Spray down the doghouse, all around the area to keep them out of there for like an hour, half hour. So it depends on how the weather is. But spray this down. And if you get even more deep, which I do even though every summer, it's a spray that I order on Amazon. I'm gonna get back to y'all with that. Hook it up to the water hose, spray it all over around your backyard. And inside the kennels, all in the dog houses, take their dog bowls out and their water. Spray it, leave it for like a half hour, hour. Let it dry up, it should be good. But people pay attention because last year, them fleas and tick, well, not really ticks, but them fleas last year, I never had so much fleas and tick problem. Well, fleas problem. I spent mad money on flea stuff until I figured it out. But trying to give y'all the boost, the little upper hand. Use this or the other one. Tractor Supply got it. And I think that's it for today. I'll be showing y'all more videos of the dogs. Please stay tuned. We have puppies coming up, litters, just a lot more content. And my lips won't be that ashy next time. This is off guard. But say bye to the dogs. Fiji water. Right? Fiji water. Maui. You say hi, Maui. You say hi, my baby. Both females I just showed you first. And this is King, the only boy. This her son. This Maui son. King 2. Say hi, King. No? You ain't gonna say hi? Now, anybody that know dogs, I keep them reinforced. I got locks, bungee cords, and everything, but I know my dogs. So, King gotta have something to block his door. Maui gotta have something to block her door. Fiji not as bad. She got out one time, but I'm trying to be a responsible dog owner. Everybody have a blessed day. Keystone Bully Farm. For the dogs, kennel's gonna be getting changed up this summer. Please stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Please, please, please. I'm trying to get more views up, more followers, more subscribers. So I can show y'all more dog content and do more stuff. Dog shows, everything. So stay tuned. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay tuned into Eminem Bully Farm.